Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Corbin Russwin rebuilt number 500 series closer. And this video is to simply serve as evidence of exactly what it looks like when it comes back off the rebuild bench. And the details of how and what is done are at length listed down below. But this is what a rebuilt 500 series would look like. It has some stampings on it that our shop will put on it to help identify it long term, should it come back. Weighs about 3.7 pounds, this small little body. And why would you rebuild it? Well, I suppose you might be sentimental with your door closer. It's more likely, however, that it's, while not inexpensive to repair them, it's impossible to replace them, given the fact that they may have been discontinued. We've repaired closers that were literally discontinued in the 1920s. And been able to repair those and bring them back to serviceable life. So in a situation like that, while that's extreme, I don't know when this closer was discontinued, but my guess would be the 70s, maybe 80s. Purely a guess. But when you've got something that you need to be able to continue to get useful service out of, and you've got a preparation in a door, or you've got some sort of special circumstance, and really the most elegant way to proceed is to rebuild or repair one. That's where our service of this comes in. Okay. If you have any questions on rebuilding a 500 series Corbin Russwin or any surface-mounted mechanical closer, overhead concealed, or floor closer, or any other type of repair service on door control devices, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.